We're standing right here and then look up to the trees.
Yeah, like you see like the colors of the rainbow. It's pretty awesome.
And it's like huge. Those trees are huge.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Hi friends.
Hi.
Welcome back. So we are officially past Thanksgiving season, which means we are now
in a holiday season.
Yeah, and it's actually one of our favorite seasons. Just like many of you, I'm pretty sure it's the same case because it's such a great season.
Yes. New York is very known for its holiday season and its activities. So we're here today at New York Botanic Garden. Has its very well-known train show and light shows.
Yeah, and this is something that's been going on for the past 30 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
30 years?
Yeah, it's been quite a long time, and we've never been here for this, and we've always wanted to. We've just been busy during the season, so this is the first time we're here, so we're just super excited for this.
The show runs from November 17th all the way to January 15th, so if you're coming to New York, this is definitely something you can add on your list.
Yes. So you could purchase tickets for the holiday train show, which is $35 per person, and you could, that's through the day. But if you purchase the glow tickets, which is the light show, that's $54 per person, and that includes the train show as well, but that's only at night. And all the tickets are timed entry. So it's recommended to purchase these tickets beforehand.
And if you're driving here, they do have a parking. It's $22 for parking. And otherwise, you can take public transportation here.
Yeah, I don't know how that works though. It's in the Bronx, so I'm not too familiar with this. So
we're super excited.
It's super cold, so let's go.
Let's go.
The moment you get in, you'll see a ton of lights that light paths. These paths lead you around the garden, so if there's no lights, then you've gone the wrong way. The first thing we did was go directly to the holiday train show, which is located at the Enid Haupt Conservatory. We would suggest getting here early as there could be a long line. I want to first start by apologizing for the footage. It was a little dark, so my camera couldn't pick up everything.
So pretty.
So Dora actually thought the train show was actual
I thought we were
train
gonna ride a train. Didn't know it was a miniature train. These lights are so cute.
Right?
The bubble lights.
They go along the path.
The path,
so you know where to go.
Yeah, I like those ones. Oh, look at that. Looks very exotic. Forest. Oh, whoa, it looks so pretty inside.
Oh, it is really pretty.
Wow. This looks so like holiday and romantic-ish.
Right?
It's like perfect date night too.
There's a train.
Oh, the train.
Oh, you can't really see, it's too dark, but there's a train like that goes along the whole structure.
Guess we're not gonna ride that.
Alright, so the entrance is here. It's a little dark to see.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
So pretty.
So pretty. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, look at the mushrooms.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, the decor's really nice, huh?
Look at Alice.
There's an owl.
Where's the owl? Oh, there's the owl. Oh, hi. So it's kind of like if you visit during the day, you can see the train.
Yeah.
If you visit during the day, you miss out the fun lights.
Yeah, so I think that's like the problem. It's like you don't see the lights with the train show in the day, but it's cheaper.
Yeah.
You know?
I would prefer the night ones. Look at a giant pine cone.
Yeah. Oh shoot! Yeah, they're real big.
So cute. I don't think it's. Is it real? I don't think it's real.
I don't know.
Wow! Did you see? Did you see that giant mushroom? I lost my voice.
All right, let's look at the mushrooms.
Excited. It's like Alice Wonderland. Oh, what is that?
Oh, it's a small train.
It's a train? It's not a train.
Or a
It's
bumblebee.
A bumblebee. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Oh, it's interactive.
Where is
So-
the bumblebee?
Look at this interactive. It says, be a conductor. Press the button to make the trolley go.
Well, I want to be a train conductor.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh no, it's going away. Come back. Come back.
Yeah, seriously, what the heck?
Back.
Oh, it's coming back.
It's coming back.
New York in a day. Love the lights.
So pretty.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go into, oh man, this is pretty.
Wow, 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 wow.
We started the show with a quick video explaining the history of the train show. This was pretty informative and a great way to start the tour.
Wonder Wheel.
Oh,
Coney
from
Island.
Coney Island, yeah. Do you think it's accurate?
It's pretty accurate.
I think it's pretty accurate too. Oh, I love the trains going around. And then I got the trains going up also. All the miniature landmarks were done so well. It was great to see some buildings and structures that no longer exist. We definitely learned a lot. But also seeing familiar buildings was super cool. Be sure to look all around you as there are things to see everywhere. I really appreciate this show because everything used to make these displays were made from all natural materials like bark, wood, leaves, acorns, and more. Oh, it's the old Grand Central Terminal.
So pretty.
Right? You see how detailed it is? That's so crazy. Look at that massive Penn station.
Oh, that's a Penn station?
Yeah.
Wow. Those are all made with wood, huh?
Yeah, like natural materials.
Yeah.
I'm not really a model train person, but it was fun to see all these trains weave around. It added a slightly more interactive element to these standing structures. And though this holiday train show takes place during the holidays, besides the trees, there really isn't a holiday element to it, but you 100% feel the holiday atmosphere around. It continues this way?
Yeah. Oh wow, a lot of people.
Oh my goodness.
What happened? I couldn't see anything yet.
It's literally the Botanical garden.
Oh wow.
Oh, you see Brooklyn Bridge?
Oh wow, yeah. It's amazing.
Right? This area was the main attraction. At night, it can get pretty dark, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of people. But I really like how they incorporated landmarks and trains into the actual garden. You actually had to look around and find some structures which made it feel like a little game. And I think they both complemented each other well. I also appreciate the design company incorporating places that can be found in the state of New York and not just Manhattan or the 5 boroughs. Because I feel like people forget that New York is more than just Manhattan sometimes. And there's more to New York than just the metropolitan area. The bridges were probably my favorite part. I think they got all, if not most, of the bridges in the New York City metropolitan area. They were massive and really resemble the bridges. And seeing these New York City apartment buildings made me really appreciate the diverse architecture that we have in New York. It also reinforces the fact that we'll never be able to afford these places. Whoa!
What's that?
Macy's.
Is it really? Oh yeah, it is.
Why is it like warped? The last room is where you'll see the iconic buildings of Manhattan, like Freedom Tower, Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, Statue of Liberty, and more. It was a cool way to end this show.
I really like this miniature of New York City. It's so pretty. I think it's like prettier than the one that we saw in Holland, just because it's New York and it's like a little bit bigger and it's all made with wood. So it's like the ambiance is super great, the holiday atmosphere. So it's just like perfect. And the miniatures and the trains are very well made. So it's not just like a toy looking. It's actually pretty decent. So we finished the train show. Now we're gonna go to the light show, which is outdoor.
Yeah, the train show took about like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Actually, probably an hour.
For us, it's a little bit longer because we like take our time to take the videos, the pictures. But I would say if you just follow the flow, probably 30 minutes.
Dang, look at this line.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we came earlier and go to the train show first.
Yeah.
This music.
Yeah, I really like the music. It like adds to the overall mood and everything.
See, without the music, it's like, I mean, it's pretty. The music just make it extra.
Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty.
So pretty. I'm gonna cry. So I like how this is like a holiday light show, but it's not all about like Christmas music. It's like,
oh yeah, no, that's
like
true. It's
classic.
I guess they really curated it so that it's not just like
it's not just
Christmas.
Like like white Christmas type of music.
And I love how like the trees are like colored.
Yeah, so pretty.
Yeah, the music definitely adds to the ambiance.
I also feel like a movie.
Or commercial. There are a number of light shows around the garden. I believe there are 2 actual light shows with music, and the other 2 are just standalone light structures. All incredibly pretty and unique.
Like if you're standing right here, and then look up to the trees.
Yeah, like you see like the colors of the rainbow. It's pretty awesome.
And it's like huge. Those trees are huge.
Yeah.
Like it literally feels like you're in a forest, but it's a very colorful
forest. The camera doesn't do this any justice.
It feels like you're surrounded by these trees.
Yeah. The first light show was by the gazebo, and this was pretty fun. The trees were part of the show also. We'd recommend standing by the gazebo and watching from there. Another spot with lights would be the Mertz Library building, and right next to it is a little field of dandelion-like lights. I don't think there was a music or a show for these areas, but we didn't stay long enough to find out because it was just so cold. And the last show was on a lake, and this was really cool too. The trees were part of the show as well, and the balls of light felt like they were floating on the water. The music here felt kind of like a nightclub with the heavy bass and beats. It was pretty fun. And the final light show was actually by the entrance. You'll see the lights in like a Christmas tree formation, but this one didn't have a show either, but it was pretty cool to look at. There are a few different food options available here. The first would be the Hudson Garden Grill, which is more of a sit-down restaurant. There are desserts at the front. We got a brownie and a slice of pie, both very average. But what was nice was the hot drinks because it got pretty cold. As we walked around, we also saw that there was a few shops from the Bronx Night Market in the garden. This was a pleasant surprise. You get some great stalls serving stuff like Jamaican food, Filipino, Mexican, and a few more. And we would 100% recommend the Bronx Night Market over the Hudson Grill. Though they're only outdoors, so you'll be eating outside, which kind of sucks. But at least you'll have good food, right?
Ooh.
Chips and guac.
Okay, this is like a much more... I mean, it's still expensive, but it's like much better price than what we just had. We had like a cake that was $16. It was a piece of cake. It's not even that great.
Yeah.
Oh, a pig.
Lechon. It's a sig. It's Taiwanese.
What are they selling?
Taiwanese street food.
Taiwanese sausage.
And then I got the popcorn chicken. Yeah, they give a lot.
Yeah. It feels like Taiwan Night Market now.
Yeah, right?
It's cold now.
Okay.
Deja vu back to 宁夏夜市、饶河夜市、
士林夜市、
士林夜市
all the 夜市
all the 夜市 and cheers. Oh, so hot.
That's
pretty good.
Yeah, what the heck? Yo, get the popcorn chicken.
Highly recommend.
Thank you so much for watching our video on the holiday train show at the New York Botanical Garden. This was a fun event that we'd recommend everyone visit during the holidays. We personally think that the train show was the highlight. Like we mentioned, it was great to see all the miniature landmarks made of natural materials and its intricate details, along with seeing some landmarks that we weren't too familiar with. The light show was cool, but we may skip it next time just because it was so cold. Hopefully we can make this an annual event going forward because we've definitely had a good time. Hope this video helps you out, and as always, if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every week. So see you then.
Bye!
We out!